Watch me make these cute earrings. I'm going to need a piece of 10-inch gold-plated wire in 20 gauge. Here are my round nose pliers. I'll make a little bend. And here I'm going to try to make a loop. And I'm going to twirl the shorter piece around the longer piece and make 5 circles around the long piece. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And basically here I'm making the neck of the pendant. Now I'm done with that. I'm going to adjust the hoop a little bit. Then I'm going to cut the excess wire. Then bring my other pliers in and hide that sharp piece inside by bending it inside. I'm going to smooth the rest of the wire, the longer piece. I'm going to get my stone, my little round jade stone. This is a 10mm. Center it there. I'll grab the longer side and I'm going to start twirling that or wrapping that around the neck of the pendant that we had created before. I'll take it from the front and then I'll twirl it from the back. I'll bring it back front again and then around the stone. And that makes for 1 wrap. And we're going to do this 3 times. Now, number 2, again from the front of the neck to the back, then around and under. Just make these nice and parallel. And then you've got 2. You got 3 on one side and 2 on the other. So now your third wrap, again around the neck, and then down to the side. And bottom, then around the neck again. And basically we're done with the wrapping around the bead. Now we're just going to close it by wrapping it one last time around the neck. Now we're going to cut the excess wire with our flush pliers. And then you can use any of your favorite pliers to tuck that in, whether your bent nose or your flat pliers, either will do. Just tuck it in so that the wire is hidden underneath the other wires. And there you have it. You have your 2 pendants now. We're going to add the earring hooks. These are already pre-made, gold plated. Close that up again with your pliers. And here you go. Beautiful pair of new earrings.